Hello friends. So today we will discuss about SQL order by statement. In our previous videos we have already learned about SQL select statement, then select distinct, where clause, as well as how we can create a table in SQL. And today we will learn about SQL order by. So the order by keyword is used to sort the result set in either ascending or descending order. For example, we have already created one table in our previous video, marks, in which there were 5 columns: name, physics, chemistry, maths, and class. So if I want to sort my output or sort my table in order by class, that means जो मेरी class वाला column है, that should come in ascending order or either descending order. It can be either way. So I can use order by. However, by default, if I am using order by default it will give the result set in ascending order. So if I am not specifying anything, by default the result set will come in ascending order. However, if I want my result set in descending order, I specifically need to mention DESC, which stands for descending. So we will try to understand this from SQL Management Studio. So this is the table that we have. uh, there were 5 columns: name, physics, chemistry, maths, and class. Now if I want to order this particular table, we can use this particular query. So if you see this particular table, the classes are mentioned in a random order. There is no sorting, neither ascending neither descending, like 10th, then 11th, 12th, and then again 10th. So we don't have any particular order, it's entirely random. So if I execute this query like this, select star from marks order by class. So by default, all the classes will be sorted in ascending order. So let's execute this query. So you can see now the result set is in the ascending order, 10th, 11th, and 12th. So like this it's coming. So writing ASC, which stands for ascending, is optional because by default the result set is getting sorted in ascending order. So although you can write ASC as well as for your easy reference. So both the queries will give same result because writing ascending is optional. However, if you want the output in descending order, you necessarily need to write DESC, which stands for descending. Select star from marks order by class, then DESC. So this will sort the classes in descending order. So let's execute this query. Yeah. So you can see now 12th is coming first, 11th is coming next, then 10th. So this is how order by works, and writing ascending or AS is optional because by default all the sorting is being done in ascending order only. You can also do query like select name, then class from marks order by class. So this is my query. If I execute this query, you will see all the classes are coming in ascending order. And if I want to query this by writing ASC, again you will find both these are same in fact. So output is same in both the queries because writing ASC is optional and it's not mandatory. However, if you want to sort the classes in a descending order, you need to mention DESC. So if you execute this query, you will find all the classes are sorted in descending order. Now very important point, one more important point here is that if you want to apply, if you want to order by, it's not necessary that you can order by only on one column. You can do it on more than one column as well as. The difference will be that order by के बाद जो भी हम जितने भी column write करेंगे, for example order by column 1, column 2. So first order by column 1 पे लगेगा, उसके बाद जो result set आएगा उस पे column 2 के बाद column 2 में उसमें ascending या descending लगेगा. So we will try to understand this with the example. So if you remember, we have created one more table, marks 1, and the only difference in this table and previous table is that I have one more row जिसमें टोनी का रिकॉर्ड एक और एडेड है, एंड दिस टोनी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस टोनी बिकॉज एक टोनी 10th क्लास में है और दूसरा टोनी 11th क्लास में है. So if I execute this query, and here I will not select all the column because for me it's necessary to understand how order by is working, and these 3 columns are not for used to me right now. So I'm executing this query. Select, then I want name, then I want class, from, then name of the table, order by. So as I mentioned, we can do order by on more than one column as well as. So first I am doing order by on name, then I will do order by on class. So if I execute this query, this is the output. So what I can see that first all the names are sorted in the ascending order. So you can see A is coming first, then B, then J, M is coming next, then R, T and U, as well as classes are sorted in ascending order. बट इफ़ आई वांट, क्योंकि एक इसमें एक इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट हमारे लिए ये है कि अगर ए के लिए दोनों सेम है तो यहाँ पे कोई भी असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि क्लासेस पहले ए सॉर्ट होगा, ये हमारा रिजल्ट आ चुका है. उसके बाद कोई पर्टिकुलर नेम अगर रिपीट हो रहा है, उसके लिए जो सेकंड कॉलम है ऑर्डर बाय में, यहाँ पे जैसे हमारा क्लास है, उसके बाद वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. तो यहाँ पे जो ऑर्डर बाय अगर हम क्लास पे लगाते हैं, सो दैट विल गोट एग्जीक्यूटेड ओनली फॉर टोनी, बिकॉज टोनी के लिए 2 रिकॉर्ड्स हैं क्लास में और टोनी ही एक ऐसा नाम है जो रिपीट हो रहा है. रेस्ट नन ऑफ द नेम इज रिपीटिंग. सो if I execute this query in a different way like this, so by default in the first query the class come in ascending order for Tony, because मैंने order by 2 कॉलम पे किया है, नेम पे और उसके बाद क्लास पे. नाउ इफ आई एग्जीक्यूट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेरी, यू विल सी के जो टोनी है उसमें 11th पहले आएगा और 10th बाद में आएगा. या रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सेम. सो द ओनली डिफरेंस इज कमिंग फॉर टोनी, बिकॉज टोनी ही एक ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जो 2 बार रिपीट हो रहा है, एंड उसकी क्लास अब, क्योंकि हमने ऑर्डर बाय सेकेंड कॉलम पे भी लगाया है क्लास के लिए, तो जो ऑर्डर बाय का सेकेंड हमारा कॉलम है वो एग्जीक्यूट सिर्फ टोनी के लिए होगा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. सो दिस इज हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेरी इज वर्किंग. हाउएवर इफ यू राइट ESC here, it will not make any difference, because by default all the order by statements are in ascending order only. And you can write ASC or DSC on multiple columns as well as, for example, you can write like this way as well as. It's same. Yeah. So you can say कि column 1 मुझे ascending में चाहिए, descending में चाहिए, again column 2 आपको ascending में चाहिए, descending में चाहिए. So that can vary. It's not कि आपको एक ही लिखना है ascending और descending. No. कॉलम 1 असेंडिंग में हो सकता है, कॉलम 2 डिसेंडिंग में हो सकता है, या असेंडिंग में हो सकता है. सो बोथ कैन बी पॉसिबल. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक ही ऑर्डर में होगा, या तो असेंडिंग में या डिसेंडिंग में. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखें तो नेम मेरा असेंडिंग में है बट क्लास डिसेंडिंग में है. सो दिस इज अबाउट SQL order by. So this is the syntax, although we have seen the query itself, but for you to appreciate, this is the syntax. Select, then column 1, column 2 separated by comma, from, then name of the table, and finally order by. So in the order by you can have more than 1 columns, and for each column you can specify ascending or descending. If you don't specify anything, by default it will be in ascending order only. So this is, we have already discussed that ASC is the default value for order by clause. So if we don't specify anything after the column name, if we don't specify anything after the column name, here we are saying like this, after the column name in the order by clause, the output will be sorted in ascending order by default. DESC. So the order by keyword sorts the record in ascending order by default. To sort the records in descending order, we need to use the DESC keyword. So this is very important. Order by several columns. So to sort the data in ascending or descending order, we can use the keywords ASC or DESC respectively. So as I already mentioned you in just a while, that if you want to order by several column, you can separately say कि मुझे column 1 ascending या descending चाहिए, column 2 ascending या descending चाहिए, column 3 ascending या descending चाहिए, and so on. And if you don't mention anything, by default the result set for that particular column will be ASC, ascending order. So that was all about uh, order by statement. However, you can also sort by column number, although it's not very popular, but still it's very essential for you to understand, क्योंकि हो सकता है कई बार कोई query है जिसमें आपने order by column number पे लिखा हुआ है. So I will try to explain you this particular part. So for example, I have this particular table. Let's remove these particular queries now. Now I want select name class from marks order by. So if I have to write order by, what I was doing, मैं यहाँ पे class mention कर रहा था. I was mentioning class, but I can also do it by just mentioning the column number. So if I see there are 5 column and class is the last column, that means 5th column. So if I write 5 here, it will work exactly the same. So if you see, I have selected all the columns from a marks table, and when I am saying order by, and I am writing the name of the column, number of the column. So class is the 5th column. So you will see the output is coming this way. Classes are sorted in ascending order. Now I will write one more query. Select name class order by 2. So this will also work. So for example, in this in the previous query, this one, select star from marks, I mention order by 5th column because I am sorting on 5th row, 5th column, which is class. But if I want only 2 columns, name, class, then I can't mention 5th here. I need to mention 2 here. बिकॉज यहाँ बिकॉज जो हमारा स्टेटमेंट है या एसक्यूएल स्टेटमेंट है वो ऐसे वर्क कर रहा है कि उसने नेम लिया, क्लास लिया, अब इन दोनों में से वो कौन से कॉलम के बेसिस पे ऑर्डर बाय करना चाह रहा है. तो यहाँ पे 5 नहीं लिख सकते हम. हियर वी हैव टू स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन 2 ओनली. So if you mention 5 here, it will not work, it will give certain error. Yes, because the order by position 5 is out of range of the number of items in the select list. तो जो हमारे items हैं select list में वो 2 हैं और मैं order by कर रहा हूँ 5th column पे, तो this will not work. I have to write only 2 क्योंकि I want order, I want sorting in the class as per the class. I can also do it on names. So if I execute this query, this will also work. Yeah. So now the result is coming in the ascending order of names. So exactly same is written here. So an integer that identifies the number of column in the select item in the underlying query of the select statement. Column number must be greater than 0, of course, and not greater than the number of column in the result table. So this is very important statement. It should not be greater than the number of column in the result table. So if I am selecting only 2 columns, I need to ensure that the number doesn't exceed the number of column that I have selected in the select list. In other words, if we want to order by a column, that column must be specified in the select list. So this is the meaning of the saying this. The rule checks for order by clause that reference select list column using the column number instead of the column name. So exactly what we have already discussed. So sorting by column number instead of name, this is the syntax. Order syntax is rest everything is same. Select, then column name, from, then table name, then order by column number. So here we are just writing column number. So that was all about this particular SQL keyword. We will discuss more keywords in our subsequent videos. I hope you are finding the video useful. We will meet you in the next videos. Thank you, friends.